Bonjour et bienvenue. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to make some fresh homemade pasta. I'm in the old kitchen today where I can make all the mess I want. Okay, so all you need is flour, an egg, water. If you're using tap water, make sure you put it in a glass a few minutes to air it out, getting the chlorine smell out of there. Okay? So, for two people, for two adults, I use approximately 200 grams of flour. That should be enough. 200 grams is a lot. Okay? That's all you need. Then, kind of make a little hole. I'm doing this directly on my table, but if you want to use a bowl, you can, of course. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay. Put the egg in the middle. Get a fork. Forgot my fork. And you start by beating up the egg a little bit, like this. That's all you need. And little by little, you incorporate that flour in the center more and more. Just keep stirring. You're just basically making dough. That's all you need, right? Okay. It gets thicker and thicker, which is good. Push that over there. And then, you see, 200 grams of flour plus one egg is enough for two people. If you've got the grandchild with you that weekend, you can add another 50 grams of flour. One egg will do it all, but you can put in more eggs if you want. That's up to you. Okay? There we go. Very simple. Very simple. I like to get my hands in the flour anyway. That's fun. That is fun. Don't put any wine in there. Drink the wine. Don't put any wine in there. Huh? And there you go. And that's it. Basically. There we go. Be very careful. Just keep adding water as needed, okay? Too much water, you can't take water out. You can always put some water in. Just need the dough, need the bubul. See? A bubul. That's all. If it's perfect when it doesn't stick very much to your hands or to the surface. If it doesn't stick, it's fine. Okay? Just make sure everything is rolled carefully, constantly. Okay? Then you get a boule. There's your pasta dough. Okay? That's how you do it. Then you simply put it into a plastic, any type of plastic. And you're going to put this in a refrigerator for at least, minimum, at least 15 minutes, right? Keep it moist. Put it in the fridge a minimum of 15 minutes, and I'll be right back to show you how to deal with this.